kitchen. I'm Chef Eileen and this is Little Chef Ian.
Little Chef Eileen.
Little Chef Ian.
Little Chef Eileen.
Little Chef Ian. Let's just move on. So if you're new to our channel, stay tuned because we have a lot of amazing recipes to bring you. They're super amazing, super cool.
And stay tuned for popping cookies.
So today we're going to be making
Sugar
cookies. Yeah. So now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your working areas clean, and you have adult supervision. Never turn on the stove without adult supervision. And the most important rule of the kitchen is
wearing giant sunglasses then. Whoa! I got these for you.
Okay, now let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is
set the bus.
Bam! So now
Let's get cooking.
So these are the ingredients.
We're gonna
for
need
our
merengue powder for our frosting.
icing. We're gonna need merengue powder, like Ian said. We're gonna need our powdered sugar. Shifted.
We're gonna need. Oh, we're gonna need the.
Yeah, that's the merengue powder.
And we're gonna need water. We're gonna need 4 bowls for the colors. We're gonna need a spoon to mix it, and you can use whatever colors you want. We're using
The size 5 and the 3. Yeah. You can use edible markers if you want.
If you
Eyeballs.
have them, and if you want. We're using eyeballs if you have them, and we're using toothpicks to get the stuff and put it in there.
We're gonna need a brush and our whisk. So
A brush to make our designs, and whisk to mix your stuff.
So first we're gonna do the whole thing and then we're just gonna separate it so we can put it in bags. So we're gonna use Ziploc bags to put our icing in there. And now Eileen is gonna mix everything together. And you need to add that slowly because you don't want that to happen. But you need to add the water slowly,
like very
because you need 2 consistencies. One so you can do the outline of your cookie,
and one that's kind of liquidy.
to fill everything in.
Okay, that's good.
Do it slowly, baby, because you're having
Explosion.
Okay.
So we're gonna put our 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
You can add any flavoring you like.
Yeah.
But you
And
won't-
Ian, add more water because Eileen is having trouble. Slowly, slowly.
You didn't put all of it. So.
Ooh, moosey. Moosu.
Okay, she has to mix really well so we can know if we need another tablespoon. So far, she added 5. Kind of. Hard to tell. How
5
much
and
did you
a half.
throw in there, Ian?
I don't know. You're the one who just.
Okay, do you want a spoon better, Eileen?
Yeah, that would probably be better.
Okay.
Here you go.
So, your icing has to be able to, like, you do this and you see that it's
Blending.
yeah, blending.
That's what you want. If you reach to that point, you just don't want to add any more water because then it's just gonna get rid of the
runny.
Runny. So we added 5 tablespoons, right?
Yes.
And if you add too much water, then you're gonna have to put a
More
little bit
powdered sugar.
More
powdered
sugar. So add your liquid, your water slowly. Sometimes we do at 6, sometimes with 4, it's fine. So now we're just gonna color our icing, and we're gonna show you how to put it on your Ziploc bags.
Yep. So now we're gonna color our food coloring.
Our icing.
I mean our icing. We're gonna put food coloring to color it.
And what happens if you leave your icing
It's gonna get hard and you don't want that.
if you leave it on cover?
Hard.
Okay, so what if it gets hard? How can I fix it?
by adding a little bit more water.
Okay. Thank you, Ian, for the tip. So now we're just gonna color every single bowl because we need different colors. And we're just gonna speed it up. And we're using gel food coloring.
Yes, gel. So we're ready, and now we're gonna put them in our bag.
So remember, if your icing starts getting hard, you just have to add a little bit of water to make it liquid again. So don't feel discouraged, right guys?
Yep, we did that.
Yes, they took forever to color their stuff. Do you guys need help?
So first you're gonna put your black and make the face, and then you're gonna brush it off kind of. You're gonna let it dry, and then you're gonna do the outer and the rest in orange, and then you have your pumpkin. So now we're gonna put the orange on our pumpkin. So we're gonna outline the eyes and the mouth of our pumpkin, and then we're just gonna do the teeth of our pumpkin. 3 teeth. It looks amazing.
Spooky, spooky.
And then you're gonna do the outer outline of your pumpkin and then just fill it in. Perfect. So we're gonna keep on filling in our pumpkin until it's completely done. And then you just,
you're just gonna like shake it around so it could get
all the color just flattens out and it
so it could get like froze.
and voila, pumpkin.
There you go, your perfect pumpkin.
Now we're gonna put the green hat, basically, of the pumpkin. And we're done.
Okay, so this is how you make a spider web. A quick tip, you want to shake it before you put the black because then it's just gonna...
So, we're gonna underline our thing and then we're gonna fill it in.
And then a quick tip, when you're gonna put the black as the web, you want to shake it because then the color isn't gonna get like crystal.
Shaking it helps you to get all the icing around the cookie.
And if you don't do it, then the black is just gonna go over.
Does it have to be perfect, Ian?
No, it's not about perfection. It's all about having fun and learning from your mistakes.
That's right, Ian. Are you having fun?
I'm having way better than fun.
Okay, so what are we gonna do in this cookie, Ian?
So in the cookie, when you're done, you're just gonna shake it.
Shake it, tap it.
Then you're gonna get your black.
Okay, so what am I gonna do with the black, Ian?
You're just gonna make a tiny circle and keep on making big circles. Then you're gonna, wait, first you do that. Let me wait until you get to the part so I can say it.
Okay, so I just keep doing circles around it.
And then once you get to that one, you're gonna
Okay.
get a toothpick and do little lines to form the spider web.
Like this, Ian?
Yes.
Okay. So I just keep doing this around the cookie?
Yes. And then
Okay.
there you go, your spider web.
Awesome. So what do I do next?
Next, you let it cool.
I let it dry?
Yeah. And then if you want, you can make a little spider on it.
Okay. I want to do a spider.
Okay.
Okay, so I said okay, Ian, like this?
Yes.
Okay, so now we have to let it dry and then we do a spider?
Yes. Yes.
Awesome.
I want a spider with a black head and a purple body.
Okay. So can I just do the body like this?
Yes, perfecto.
Okay, and you want a black
your
head?
Remember, yes. Remember, your spider doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, no one's perfect. Everyone's the same and no one will ever be perfect.
Okay. Does that look good?
Perfecto.
Okay. So you want me to do some legs on the spider?
Or sí, por favor. That means yes, please. Just listen. Ooh, it's looking so good.
Does that look good?
Yeah. Better than cool. Fantastic. Excelente.
Okay. So we need to let it dry.
Mm-hmm. And then you could just use some advice.
You want me to put eyes on it?
Yes.
No, this is going to be a very funny looking spider
It's Halloween.
with very big eyes.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
It's about having fun, right?
Yeah.
So look at this cute spider. Okay, so this is our spider. And we are using this edible glitter spray.
It's
And
really
look
good.
how beautiful it looks.
Mm-hmm. Does that mean I get to eat it?
Yes. Can I see your pumpkin, Ian?
Yes.
Wow, amazing.
What are you making? A ghost.
Good job, Eileen.
Thank you. What type of eyes are you gonna make? I want to make one, but I don't know how to do the eyes.
Beautiful,
Oh wait,
Eileen.
now I need to fill it in. So these are how our cookies looks like. So now let's try it.
Show me your ghost.
Mmm, this is amazing.
That's so good.
Mmm. Bye. Right.
Bye. Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring